Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are good and doing great at your home. So students, as you know, due to corona pandemic, your online classes and physical classes will remain closed as a order per as central government. Now your summer vacation is going on. So today I am here. In this video I will explain you that how can you do your SVHW? It means summer vacation homework. This is your summer vacation homework. So first, as you know very well, what will we do? First, I will explain you SVHW. It means summer vacation homework. So you have to pay attention to listen carefully that how will do you your SVHW in your practice and holiday homework copy. So my dear students, now as you can see, summer vacation homework SVHW 2021 to 22 class 2nd. So first we will learn instructions. Guardians are requested to help their child during the holidays to complete their following given SVHW sheet in a separate prescribed copy or practice copy of its subject. Put initial signature at the last page of SVHW sheet and copy. Now we are going to read SVHW. SVHW response shall be counted in periodic assessment first. So, dear children, now I am going to explain that how can you write your summer vacation homework of general knowledge in your holiday and practice copy. So, my dear student, as you can see, subject general knowledge. Now I am going to explain you that how can you do your general knowledge summer vacation homework. So first point is learning work. From learn unit first animal diet about herbivore, carnivore and omnivore. So my dear children, as you know very well, from your general knowledge unit first, that is animal diet, you will learn that what is herbivore, what is carnivore and omnivore. So my dear children, as you know very well, I have already sent by PDF what is herbivore, what is carnivore and what is omnivore in your WhatsApp group. That's why you can easily learn about herbivore, carnivore and omnivore. Learn chapter 1, that is food of animals. Some important point about elephant, lion, snake and rabbit. I have already sent you some amazing fact about animal, lion, snake and rabbit by PDF in your WhatsApp group. That's why you can easily learn about. Learn chapter 2nd. From chapter number 2nd, can you identify me some important point about zebra, owl and monkey? Learn exercise of chapter number 2nd. And learn chapter number 3, aquatic animals, some important point about seahorse, dolphin and shark. So now next, from your summer vacation homework of the general knowledge, that is writing work. That is the writing work. Now you can do from chapter number 1st of the general knowledge, write unit first animal diet, exercise of this page and some important point about herbivore, carnivore and omnivore with example in your holiday homework copy. So my dear children, as you know, you can easily write about herbivore, carnivore and omnivore with an example in your holiday homework copy, because I have already sent you this topic by PDF in your WhatsApp group from chapter number 2nd. Write some point of chapter number 2nd, that is, can you identify me? What is the name of second chapter? That is, can you identify me? These animals: lion, elephant, monkey and owl. And write exercise of this chapter in your practice copy from chapter number 3rd. Write exercise of this chapter and some important point, some important fact about animal, aquatic animal, seahorse, dolphin, whale and octopus. So my dear children, I have already sent you some important fact about seahorse, dolphin, whale and octopus by PDF in your WhatsApp group. That's why you can easily make a short note about this aquatic animal. Now, next topic from your subject general knowledge, that is activity work. Make a picture, national bird and national flag on chart paper and write some point about the national bird and national flag in your holiday homework copy. So my dear children, draw a picture of national bird and national flag on your chart paper, and you will write about the national bird and national flag in your holiday homework copy. Now next point from your summer vacation homework, that is, make a picture of chapter number 3 aquatic animal and make a note about this animal in your practice copy. So my dear children, from the chapter number 3, that is aquatic animal, you will draw all picture of the aquatic animal and make a note about this animal in your practice copy. I hope you will do your all work in a proper way with correct spelling. So have a great day.